Welcome to Candid.Technology, and here's how to fix GPS error on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. So since the Galaxy Fit 3 lacks built-in GPS, it relies on the connected smartphone for location data, indicating that the GPS error is most likely a connection error for you as well. So let's go over a few quick fixes that could help you fix the GPS error. The first one is to ensure that your phone's Bluetooth is switched on, and the second one is to disable power saving mode on your phone. If any of these two help you, you can just skip the rest of the video. But if you're still facing the error, let's go ahead towards the next potential fix. So the next fix is to enable location permission for the Galaxy Fit 3 plugin. To do that, you'll have to go to phone settings, head over to apps, and then search for Galaxy Fit 3. Then head over to the app permissions, then to location, and then select allowed all the time. Now another app that you need to check is the Samsung Health app permission. Make sure that the nearby devices permission, physical activity and notification are allowed, and the location is set to allow only while using the app. Now if none of the fixes before help you out, you can also check the Galaxy Wearable app's permission for nearby devices and phone, both of which are necessary for the app and the watch to function in sync. If none of the fixes before help you out, one of the final recommendations from our end is to start the workout using the Samsung Health app on your phone instead of the Galaxy Fit 3. This, in most of the cases, resolves the GPS error since the connection issue is resolved instantly. But you need to know that not all the metrics that are usually shown on the watch will be shown on the watch if you start the workout using the Samsung Health app. And so these were the few ways that you can fix the GPS error on your Galaxy Fit 3. Check out our other Galaxy Fit 3 videos that are appearing on your screen right now, and let us know if you want us to cover any other particular Galaxy Fit 3 topic. Like the video if it helped you out, subscribe to our channel Candid.Technology, and check out our website as well. Hoping this helped you. I'll see you in the next one.